Look at me when you're
Oh, you idiot! Oh, funny.
Hi there, how are you doing?
Fine, thank you. Oh, there's two boats there. That should have been there. Get in. Get in. Want some more pizza? Ooh. It is the boat highway. I thought I was on Black Ops then. So I heard something that sounded like a what's it called? Sounded something like a flamethrower.
But hey, I mean, yes, with me.
Hang on.
But can you still with me, man?
What? Get on the boat.
What is that head of the voice? He's going in a massive boat.
Why?
And they drive out really far to sea, and actually
Oh, do you remember when we did that glitch? The boat?
right. You drive at 12 miles an hour, then you can get like a rocket launcher, and it goes bang like that, and then you think, and everything crashes, and the rules, and the music, be close, what you
Whoa! We went underneath it.
what I'm told oh, it's camera.
Yes. Right. Didn't see that. What?
Camera.
Yes.
Let's roll it right back to the original days of Jamaican drum and bass before dubstep, before techno.
Yes, God. You deaf.
Kingston, when they started to break down rhythms and echo them into oblivion. This is King Jammy's jamming to survive.
Skim. Waddy. Ow. Just made a big boosh.
I did not notice that. I know those ladders, but I usually didn't use one. Yeah, not really.
Oh, yeah.
Those helicopters are the only one that's here.
I'm driving.
I'm taking it.
No, you're not. You take it, I'll blow you up.
I'll blow you up.
With what? Seriously, what? Oh, do not jump off yet. Get in the helicopter, get out and get back in so you get rocket launchers. Now get out. Now get back in. Just get back in. Bang. Bang. Ah, crap. Why did you say, oh, Bob? Why don't you just say, oh, Bob Marley? Oh, no. Just press Y.
I chop his back, the word on the road is chop his back. I chop his back, the word on the road is chop his back. Niggas better know how my head full, G's fucking roll. My niggas stay real on the roads. All the girl, them I feel in my flow. All of my niggas are hungry, that's why we need a bossy. I'm at the top of the game, try come from me, try to my yard, and I'm feeling up comfy. How lovely,
don't you need the helicopter? Don't you need the helicopter to blow me up? Yeah, then you would die. Just keep on walking the way I'm going.
I chop his back, the word that I wrote is chop his back. Niggas better know how my head full of cheese fucking roll. My niggas stay real.
I just want to really run over this boat.
Yeah, them I feel in my flow. My rap start acting at 814, sat down back with an 8. That nigga ain't actually brave, so that you just acting his face.
I'm not catching up to that boat, am I?
I'm just stacking my face, don't you know? That's it in days. Man said that fair enough, I done this thing, but I want no leg on. So the hit as ever, for all of these shots in the past, they spread up. That time the finger let off, shots in the ring, my face that effort. I hold it down with a focus sound, and I keep it ring like Lennox. I choke his back, the word on the road is choke his back. I choke his back, the word on the road is choke his back. I choke his back, the word on the road is choke his back.
Three boats are surrounding us. Ah. Oh, I just ran over a boat. Yeah, blow it up there. Yeah, but then how are we gonna get back? No, oh my, it's gonna take years to get over there. Do you know how slow this boat is? Oh, come on. Just blow it up here, man. We're in the middle of something. Oh no! You're parachuting. Idiot. That's the glitch what I tried to show you, but I didn't know how to do it. Huh? Okay then, shoot it. A captain always this shit.
Oh no, we have that! Shut up!
Ouch!
Fuck you!
I died!
Now,
I don't know.
why did you pull me off?
Wait there, I'm gonna try and get to you.
Ah! Going down! Come down! Come over! Don't run that way!
I got sticky bombs. Oh, legendary. Oh, there it is. You know what? You can see that boat from a mile away, probably. What the hell? Now the boat's sinking. Sink. Sink already!
Oh, you're there!
Ah!
Yeah, let's just get off of here. Let me off here, someone set me off.
Cause you gotta jump on it. Ah! It's sinking! You only can throw. You only can do two, you idiot. Oh, now you just wasted loads. Ah! I'm looking at a message, you idiot. What flipping song is this? Wow. Stay there. I'm gonna get more grenades. Shoot it. Connect me here. Done.